Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today we got a suitcase for our kid. This is one with a stroller on the bottom, so it's pretty neat. We're gonna unbox and we're gonna travel with it and see how well it fares and whether or not we will recommend this product to y'all. Anyway, let's unbox this first. This is called High Pro, by the way. Okay, pretty neat little suitcase. All right, so there's not much to it. There's no instruction or anything inside the box. To unfold this, I have to hold the case firmly and okay, cool. That was easy. And then I guess, okay, there's a locking mechanism here. Yeah, this will lock in place, prevent it to unfolding accidentally. Okay, so voila, it's a stroller suitcase. Well, my son's gonna love this. All right, let's see how to fold this up. To fold this up, I had to pull. Oh, so there's a latch. I had to get undone first. And then fold. Okay, quite interesting. Hold the case, pull to get it undone, to fold it back up. Yeah, pull. And then fold it up. Okay, this is pretty neat. All right, let's see what's inside here. Oh, cool. They have some tools here. I guess to tighten up the nuts if somehow they come undone. So they have some tools here. I guess I should keep this in the suitcase just in case I be leading this. I mean, they don't weigh much or taking that much of space. All right, so since most of the space is taken up by the scooter itself, I guess the rest of the space you just put what we have decided for his suitcase is to put snacks and maybe some of his toys when we are traveling, because this you can put overhead in the compartment on the airplane. So it will be nearby us anyway. And it's just gonna haul most of his stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me put some of his snacks and toys and whatnot in here and see how much we can fit inside. So now let's talk about how much stuff that we can put inside this little suitcase. Surprisingly, it can hold a lot more than we initially thought of. Under the zipper, we're able to fit one of the inflatable footrests for air travel in there, and also his change of clothes, toys, and some snacks. And one of the things that my wife complained is the zipper. You have to be careful with it. A lot of time it will get stuck. Once we zip it up, we're able to put even more snack on top of it. And on the front side, we're able to put 3 more inflatable footrests in there as well. So essentially, all the toys and the snacks for the trip will all fit inside that little suitcase. So we don't have to use up space in our suitcase to hold their snacks. And by the way, this suitcase was able to fit inside the overhead compartment. I didn't have a footage of that, but I just want to let you know. All right, let's talk about the playability of this suitcase. Both my kids really enjoy the suitcase. Initially, we bought the suitcase for our oldest son. However, when our youngest saw her brother playing with this, she wanted to ride it too. So yeah, both our kids really enjoy the suitcase. And we should get one more for her as well. But maybe next time. My final thought about the suitcase is really great way to keep the kid occupied in the airport and also get them to spend their energy instead of watching videos on tablet or cell phone all the time. This is a great way for them to just ride inside the airport. The scooter is really easy to stop and doesn't go all that fast, so you don't have to worry about the kids hitting anybody inside the airport. It's a great way for them to be occupied. And also the suitcase can hold a lot of stuff. We were really surprised by this suitcase. So this is my review of the Hi Pro Flight Scooter Suitcase. If you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.